to another episode of Fishing Grubs. Right now we're going to get Nicole some breakfast sandwich before she destroys me and eats my liver. So it is like the slipperiest day on the ice and the windiest. So this might be really bad audio quality, but we got our first flag. Could be a wind flag. It's spooling. This is your fish, babe. Nicole's first fish, lucky tip up. We haven't even put up our third flag yet. Bye, bud. Thanks for coming up. Woo! I'm just gonna have to apologize for the audio. It is super windy out today, but Nicole caught her first ice fish. We're pumped up. Nicole got a fish. The lucky tip up strikes again. Hold it. Nicole's fish number 2. She's crushing me today. Got it, bud. There you go. See ya. Took our far flags that were way down that way, closer to where we're leaving. We're probably going to end up staying here for about an hour and just let these fresh traps sit for a little bit, see if we get anything else. But I mean, 2 fish today for Nicole, that's fantastic. Couldn't have asked for more, especially on a brand new pond that we've never been to. So it's sweet that we landed into anything and didn't get skunked. I must say it's been a beautiful day out today. Only 2 fish, but what a gorgeous day. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs. It was a beautiful day out here. We both have tomorrow off together. We're going to go ice fishing all day, so we're going to pack it in, get a really good night's rest, and get up super early before the sun comes up and get on one of these ponds close by. I'm going to break down. Let's hope we maybe get a flag or 2 while that happens. If not, I'll catch you on the flip side. Fish on.
Yeah.